Hey guys, what's up? My name's Cody. Today we're going to be playing on the PS3 system, and you won't actually be able to hear, but I'm sorry. But this is going to be like a scary video because my friend has Herobrine in his world and he didn't save it, so we're going to see if Herobrine is still in his world. So yeah, we're going to see. Okay, so my PS3 is on, so is he in the game yet? I just need to check something out, guys. Just playing alone. With me? My friend won't invite me that much. So many invites. You can see the screen now. Okay. Let me so this is something I really have to do before I get started, because if you don't invite me, I have to do this. I have to say invite me. That's what I have to say if they don't invite me. So yeah, we go. Okay, so I'm going to go see if Herobrine is in his vault. So I'm sorry if you don't want to hear, if you want to hear him, I just don't know how. But let's go on. This is going to be scary. I'm not really that scared of Herobrine. Hey, bro.
Why don't you just take your mic off?
What's up, bro? Can you shut off the music? No, yeah, we are. We're recording. Phones, two phones, two phones. Hello. Let's see if Herobrine. You have? Okay. Okay. Radioactive.
It only goes for 5 minutes, you know.
Dude, Herobrine is actually real. I'm at the lava. Yeah, we have to stay there. Herobrine! Herobrine talk for real. Oh. Did you see that? I tried to talk to Herobrine.
What did he do? He disappeared?
Herobrine was right here. Oh, Herobrine, you hear that, bro? Radioactive, you hear that? No. Bro, I just want to know that you were real. Because we just spied. Bye, bro. Yeah, we got him on tape, bro. See, he is. Oh, no. He just punched me. Did you see that, Radioactive? Did you see that? How did you not see Herobrine, bro?
We got him on film.
Yo, we got him on film, bro. You can just check out this video. Bro, let's go, bro. We have to go over here. We have to run. Over here. We have to stay over here, bro. And wait for the... See? He's setting things on fire. You do not see this, bro. Just random things are going on fire. Yeah, you see it, right? Herobrine is real. Now you see that?